happy Saturday. It is September 19th, the day after my birthday.
Yes.
Where are we going, hun?
We are going to a place called Falling Waters Park. Falling Waters, not waterfalls. But there is some crazy 100 feet deep natural sinkholes. So
everything looks like it's blocked off though, so it is going to be safe. I was worried. I was like, I don't know about this. Especially because we just had that Hurricane Sally that just happened a couple of days ago. So we got natural sinkholes happening everywhere.
Yeah, all the roads are like collapsing around us.
Yeah.
But we're driving in the opposite direction of where the hurricane hit, so hopefully we should be safe. And we'll see what kind of beautiful nature footage we can get.
It's kind of crazy, you guys, because the hurricane just was a couple of days ago, and on the highway there's so many trees that are broken and like just falling over the roads, and not in the highway, but like just
right next to
the highway. And a lot of like the land is just flooded. Like the trees are drowning in the water right now. It's so sad.
The water levels are super high.
Yeah.
That's why the roads keep collapsing.
Yeah. But yeah, so we're on our way. We are about 15 minutes away. It was about an hour drive.
That one's sleeping right now.
Yeah, she's asleep.
Couldn't hang.
She couldn't hang, you guys. We woke her up fairly early. I think his alarm went off. Your alarm went off, what, 6:30?
I think so.
And I was like, yeah, no, I'm so tired. We went to bed pretty late.
After we had cake and champagne.
You guys have probably already seen that in this vlog. Last vlog. If you haven't seen that, go ahead and go back after you watch this video and watch that video. It's my birthday vlog. So let's go.
Let's do it.
Come with us. Alright, you guys, so it was right there, as you could see, $5 per vehicle, $2 per person, and then they give you this little map. Pretty cool.
Welcome to the real Florida.
That's cool. How exciting.
Let's go to Waterfall.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the waterfall, baby.
So here's the map if you guys want to see it. This is exciting.
Uh-oh, look, slow. Turtle is crossing.
Oh. In case you guys want to screenshot that. You have to watch out for the turtles. The turtles are crossing. So we have no idea where we're going. But we're gonna go, so let's go. Alright guys, we're here. Where are we, babe?
Oh, look at this.
It says beach.
No, it says waterfall.
It says waterfall.
Falling Waters State Park.
Wow, awesome, huh?
Let's go.
Follow daddy. Watch your step. So this place is really cool. They have like little benches there. They have a park right there. They have bathrooms here, which is awesome. All right, waterfall. Look, they even have like wheelchair, like.
A little butterfly garden right here.
Oh, look, honey. They even have, so like if we had the stroller, we could easily just go the wheelchair route.
Oh yeah.
Pets can come here on a leash. Wow. What does it say, baby? Pets on a leash. Yeah.
Is this here?
Okay. Alrighty. We're gonna go over here so we can take a picture. You wanna go in there? Look. It's the butterfly garden. Go in there. Follow the bridge. Oh, I see a flower. That's beautiful. Yeah.
This one's right here.
Okay, keep going. Whoa.
No, take a minute. No. see?
We're gonna go back over this way because there's lots of bees in here.
Maybe he's owl.
He's beautiful, huh?
He's beautiful.
All right, a little bit of a snack before we get going. Got our hiking backpack there.
Ready?
There's Daddy.
It says, children are swimming. Yeah, Lucky.
Mm-hmm.
Your
Hi, family.
Hi. Your water.
It's so beautiful here. I love it. So which one are we gonna go to? Look at the sinkholes, the upper waterfall, or the lower waterfall?
The upper waterfall first.
Okay. This way we go. Oh, this is it right here. Real short. Beautiful though. What do you see? Wow.
Waterfall.
A waterfall? Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Oh my goodness. What do you guys think? So amazing, huh?
And we can swim.
No, we can't swim in this one, babe. All right, now we are headed to the sinkholes. Wow. Oh my goodness.
Oh, goodness.
Honey's gonna take the phone and he's gonna show you guys what the sinkhole, yeah, really looks like. Because just looking at it from up here, it doesn't look like much. It looks like, I guess, a hole or mud, you know? But if you really look from like this angle, it's really deep, like super deep. So he's gonna try to take his drone down there. I am nervous about it.
Check it out, guys.
Wow.
Safe and sound. Look at that, honey.
Safe and sound. Hi, drone. I'm so glad you're back. Okay, watch out, baby. Daddy's gonna land droney. Where are you gonna land him? Right there? Let's move over here so Daddy can land droney. Look, say hi to droney.
Say hi.
Say hi, droney.
He's playing all money.
Yeah. Here he comes. Whoa.
Oh,
Oh no, it's dying.
He's tired now.
he's gonna take a break.
We're off to go see the bottom of the waterfall now. Waterfall and lake. So here's the waterfall. Oh look, here's another like sinkhole. Be very careful, okay? Oh my god, it's beautiful. Yeah. Wow. Florida's highest waterfall. 73 feet. Wow. There's Droney. Well, honey, what do you think of this place so far?
pretty cool. I
Yeah.
like the scenery. I like how the only way to have a big waterfall in Florida is to have a giant hole in the floor
Yeah.
instead of having a hill.
We are going to the lake area now.
Yeah, that's what it said.
Okay.
The sign said
Go
lake.
over there with Daddy then.
He's heavier.
And then Presley keeps saying, I'm just so hungry, so we have our snacks with us. So we're planning on stopping at the lake viewing area. Is it a snack break? Yeah. Halfway through, I'm assuming we still have a little bit of ways to go before we get to the
You gotta sit down with the goldfish.
lake part. But there's a little bench here, so we let some people pass us.
We were slow rollers.
Yeah, we're slow rollers because Presley's doing her own thing, Miss Independent over here. And she wants her goldfish, so.
That's okay.
We finally made it to the lake. We made it! You can sit right here on this bench, okay? Can't play around here because it's really dirty. It's really muddy. Okay, sit up here. Alright, you guys, so I'm going to show you guys. You okay?
Yeah.
We have Droney behind us. It's a really cool setting. It could like follow us as we're walking.
Yeah.
It's really cool. So we are now. There's Droney.
That little cameraman.
Little cameraman. Oop, turn you guys all around. Come on, babe. Let's go.
I want to go too.
Yeah, Droney's coming with us too. Come on, Droney. Oh, pets are not allowed on the beach. So they have a beach area here.
I guess so.
This is campground. Campground, yeah. Ooh, caution for your safety. So there could be gators in this water. Yeah, let's look at this sign real quick. Caution, alligators are present along the trails and waterfalls. Oh, we better get out of here, huh?
Get out of here.
All right, guys, we are readjusting here for our
Trek
walk
back.
Presley is exhausted. She said she's all done, so that's why we bring the hiking backpack. It's usually how it goes now. Anytime we go anywhere, like hiking or trailing, is she walks, and then on the way back, she usually goes in. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Up.
One.
There we go.
Good.
And
That'll.
just like that. And then he clips. Turn around, honey. Show him how you clip them. Clip and clip. Perfect. Locked and loaded.
Let's do it.
All good, baby?
Okay.
All right, let me know if you want more water or anything, okay? Ready to roll?
Roll, kids.
All right, honey's got the drone set up. We changed out all our batteries, the GoPro and the drone. There he goes. Up and away. Ooh, that felt good. Come back, drone. Oh, the wind feels so good. Ah, nice breeze. Oh yeah. Let's just have him follow me like this. This is good. Just right above me the whole time with the fans just blowing on me. That's great. I love it. Nice and cozy, huh, babe? See her little leggies. She's buckled up in here and up over the arms too. Nice and cozy. You're holding Daddy? Oh,
She's holding me in.
yeah. You're not holding her. She's holding you.
That's true.
We are definitely trail and hiking type of family.
Definitely. Love it in the nature. So I
In
think
nature, yeah.
hopefully in Korea we'll do some of the same stuff.
Yes, definitely stay tuned for that, you guys, because we are looking so forward to like just going on adventures and exploring Korea.
Yeah, for sure.
So nature trails especially, and going hiking and stuff. That's probably it. So this is our trail adventure. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time,
Peace out.
peace out. Please remember to like, comment,
Subscribe.
Also, if you're still sticking around, you guys are awesome. You guys are fabulous. Thank you so much. You guys don't know how much we appreciate that.
Yeah, we like
It really means a lot to us. So if you're new, we hope you stick around. We hope you hit that subscribe button and follow us along with our journey. We are a military family. We are currently stationed here at Eglin, getting ready to PCS to Korea, South Korea. So if you want to see more of our adventures, our family adventures,
Yep.
see how our move goes, see how our
Yeah, we'll see
PCS
how that
goes, all that fun stuff. We're going to be taking a family trip to California as well. So if you guys want to see that, make sure you follow me on Snapchat. It'll be right here. Boop. And on Instagram, right here. Boop. That way you guys see everything first. Because more than likely I post everything on Snapchat and Instagram first. So you guys will see all the behind the scenes, things that may not get posted to the YouTube. And things that will go on YouTube, but go there first. So make sure you hit those like buttons and subscribe buttons and follow me on all the other socials as well. Oh, there's a bee all up in the business. Ah! I don't like bees. All right guys, peace out.